This is section 3.5, and today we're going to be talking about direct variation. There are two basic types of linear models, and the more general one that you guys know about is y equals mx plus b. And so m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. But on direct variation, usually it's just y equals kx, k being your slope, and there is no y-intercept. So it's a little bit more simple. You know it's going through the origin, and it's a straight line with a slope of k. And it's saying there's two other ways of looking at the name of it. Like if you're reading a story problem, sometimes it will say such and such varies directly with something else. Or it could say something is directly proportional to something else. So those are some key words that you may find in a story problem about direct variation. So when we say that something varies directly or is directly proportional, it is always in this format, y equals kx. K is a constant. It's a constant of variation or the constant of proportionality, or in other words, it's the slope. So here's an example. In Pennsylvania, the state income tax is directly proportional to the gross income. You are working in Pennsylvania and your state income tax deduction is $46.05 for a gross monthly income of $1,500. Find a mathematical model that gives the Pennsylvania state income tax in terms of gross income. So, the first step on this is to think about what the income tax is. It's really something times your gross income, and usually this is given as a percent. So we first need to find out what that amount is. So we're going to call y your state income tax, x is your gross income, and k is your rate. So the equation is y equals kx. So we are to first find out what k is. We don't know what that is. So we are going to take that amount that we were given. We were said that $46.05 is your tax, and the income you had was $1,500. So we put those in for y and x, and now we got to solve for k. And we find that k is 0.0307, or around 3%. Now we're going to rewrite the equation and replace the k with that amount that we found. And we now know that our model is y equals 0.0307x. If you go to graph it, it looks like this. It's a straight line, and it goes through the point 1,546.05.